Welcome to my channel. It's Michelle and I'm cooking some pumpkin protein muffins for you today. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna use some brown sugar, half cup. And I'll go ahead and link the recipe down below and give you all the ingredients so you have it. After the brown sugar, you're gonna take 4 ounces of applesauce. All you need is a big bowl and you're gonna dump it all in and then mix it up. After the applesauce, we have a mixture of pumpkin spice seasoning with some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then we have 4 large egg whites. And then we're gonna take our pumpkin. Organic pumpkin puree. And we're gonna put that in. And then we're gonna mix all these ingredients up. And then we'll add the dry ingredients. Get every last bit. Now we're going to mix that up. Now we're going to add the vanilla extract. We have 2 cups of oat flour. And 2 scoops of your favorite protein. I'm just using some vanilla protein. Then I'm using some cashew milk, but you can use regular milk. And we're gonna mix that up, and then we're gonna add a half cup of some chocolate chips. So let's get to mixing. Say hi. Say, hey guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, a brief intermission for my son.
I want one of those.
Okay, you can have one. Okay, now we take the half cup, pour it in there, and we fold them in. Then you have a muffin tin and put some liners in there so they don't stick to the muffin tin. And preheat your oven to 350. And I believe we bake them for 30 minutes. I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Now this recipe makes a little bit more than 12 muffins. So I'm making a mini little pumpkin chocolate chip loaf to go along with our pumpkin protein muffins. Okay, while those muffins are baking, I just wanted to go over some fit tips for fall with you guys, a way to stay fit through fall and with the coming holidays. So here are my tips for you. Number 1, when you're in the gym, lift heavy. Don't be afraid of gaining muscle because your muscle is what's gonna keep your metabolism high and burn that fat. Second tip would be the intensity of your workout. A good way for that high intensity workout is to do supersets. Those are my favorite, where you take a exercise and then you don't rest and you go into another exercise and then you rest. So a superset is really good for that. And then also when you do circuits, that's a good way to keep the intensity high, your heart rate up, burns fat, and it's great for you. So these are my fit tips for fall to keep you healthy through the holiday season. And we're still waiting on those muffins, pumpkin protein muffins, and they should be done any minute. Okay, the muffins are done. Those took 30 minutes, but the little mini loaf is still cooking. It's probably gonna be 35 to 40 minute cook time on that one. And let's go ahead and do a taste test. I got the muffin right here. Now that's a good protein muffin. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the macro breakdown in the comments. These are pretty good. Great little sweet tooth crusher. Okay, I wanna get my son's opinion on it and see if he likes it. So here's your muffin. Try it and let us know how you like it. Emmy's actually eating hers right now. It's good? Well, there you have it. Kids like it too.